Hi guys, today I will show you how to make this delicious marbled chocolate banana bread that is super soft and moist. Let's get started. First you want to add the eggs to a medium bowl. And then you want to just whisk them until the structure of the egg has broken. So just shortly. Then we are going to add in the yogurt. I'm using Turkish yogurt here. And then you also want to whisk that in. And now you want to leave this aside and mash the bananas. So I have 4 really ripe bananas here that I'm gonna mash. So once your bananas look like this, so they're really soft, so I have a nice mashed banana or banana mash, then you want to grab your bowl and add in the bananas. And then you know what to do, just mix in the banana. Then I'm gonna add in the sugar, and I'm using cane sugar. And also I have already combined all my dry ingredients, so they are already combined here, and now I'm just gonna sift them in with the wet ingredients. So I'm adding in a little first, giving it a short mix. And then I'm gonna add about another third. And then I'm gonna add in the rest and give it a final mix. Now I'm just gonna check with a spatula. Next you will need a second bowl, and you want to weigh the whole batter. So we are going to transfer the batter into the second bowl. And then we are going to divide the batter into two. So it's about 800. I'm gonna place back my my second bowl, or the original bowl, and then I'm gonna add in half of the batter. And the next thing is, to half of it we're just going to add some more flour, and we are sifting that in as well. And then you just want to mix it in. And then also just check with a spatula that you have all of the flour from the sides of the bowl also mixed in. So it's looking good. And then you want to grab the second bowl, and to this one you want to add the cacao, also through a sieve. And then you want to first also mix that in with a fork. And then we're gonna grab the spatula back and continue mixing with the spatula. And now that that is mixed in, we are going to add the chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips. And we are going to fold the chocolate chips in. Then I have a bread form here, into which I have laid this thin strip of parchment paper. This will help to remove the bread from the form once it's baked. And now I'm gonna spoon in the batter. What I want to do is I want to add about half of the light one first at the bottom. And just even it a little. Then I'm gonna add about half of the chocolate batter on top. And also even that out. And then the rest of the light batter, so the one that has no cacao or chocolate in it, goes on top of that. Again, I'm just lightly spreading it. And then I'm just adding the rest of the chocolate batter. And again, I'm just trying to lightly even it. Don't worry if it doesn't even out perfectly. It will still look really nice once it's baked. Now you could also add directly some chocolate chips here on top, But what I want to do is I want to add them after baking so that they're half melted, but then half not melted, so that they don't completely melt over the top. But you could add them directly on top if you'd like. And now I'm gonna bake the bread, and then we will see again once it's baked. Once the banana bread has baked, you want to remove it from the oven and allow it to cool a little bit before you remove it from the baking tin. And while it's cooling, what we want to do is add a little bit of those chocolate chips on top, like I told you. So I'm just gonna place a couple. Now that it has had time to cool for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna remove it from the cake tin or the bread tin. I'm just loosening the sides. The bottom should come out easily because I left the paper here. And then you want to leave it and allow it to cool completely. So I have a piece here. I'm going to show you how soft it is. Super soft. Let's give it a try. So it's as soft as it looks. It's really nice. It tastes like banana bread, but it has that lovely taste from the chocolate. I think it's my new favorite banana bread. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget the thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.